Hello everyone, welcome back to the Art Wagon. Tonight we are going to do an unboxing of January's box. Look how pretty that is. See if I can zoom in on that box. Great artwork on this one. There we go. Very nice. Okay, so this is January 2021 box, and so Happy New Year, guys. Let's do this. Last night we did December's, and today we are doing January's. I was very surprised at how fast this came. I literally got this I think it was like day before yesterday. So I'm excited to look inside. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, it's got its normal blue wrapping, and we got inside usually the little cards on top. Let's take a look. Let's find the little cards so we know what we're... Oh, that's interesting. Okay. And it says the artist on there. Okay, it says Alex Garnett is the visual artist. Okay, and let's see what else we have here. Let's take a look. This is the premium box of Sketchbox. And this one is a Carnachet Graphite Pencil in 3H. Alright. Okay. And let's see. Let's see if we can make it a little brighter in here. Let's take a look and see what else we've got in our little box of tricks here. Calligraphy ink in blue. Indigo blue. That should be fun. We have acrylic ink in red light. That way you guys can see it. We'll do that. A little palette to mix your paints. It's nice. And what else do we have here? This one is the Staedtler Pigment Liner in 0.3-2.0. Okay. I'm not seeing a color on here. Pigment liner. Okay, we'll have to figure that one out. Okay. This one is calligraphy ink in yellow. Primrose yellow. And, ooh, look at that brush. Ooh, liking that. Fake Squirrel. 1827 Dagger by Dynasty. 3/8. Ooh, that is a very, very nice brush. Look at that. Pretty nice. Right. Now the little card I was looking for, so we know what in the world we're working with here. I like to go by these, so figure out what's going on. Okay. So we have that little guy there. And we have, let's get this box over here. Ooh, I love these little pads of paper. I love that, so you can try them out. I like to make little cards though, so. What do we got here? Sketchbox, 100% cotton. 140 pound, pad of 10 sheets, cold pressed, acid free, 4x6. Ideal for watercolor, gouache, ink, and acrylic. Okay, cool. We'll definitely try that out. Okay, So we got all of our products here. Let's try them all out, shall we? Oh, and then we also got this really cute little sticker here. Looks like a little paint pod. Cool. Okay. So let's open up our new brush because we're going to use that today. Okay. All right, let's take the little top thing off. Put that wrapping over here. Okay. What else do we have? Let's get this guy opened up. We'll use that one today. Now that calligraphy ink, I do have a calligraphy pen. I just don't have it out because I didn't know that's what I was getting. So I'm going to have to work with the calligraphy pen another time on here. I'm going to try to do it with this brush. I might be able to get the same angle. That's probably why they put that brush in there. Yeah, I might be able to do it with that angle. Okay. Let's see. So, second. Need a little bit more light in here. Okay, so basically what I am going to do is we'll get out a piece of this paper here so we can try it out. Oh my goodness, this is thick paper, beautiful paper. Cotton paper. Interesting. Never tried cotton paper. That should be cool. That paper runs for, says here that it runs for $13.48. It says the Sketchbox 10 sheet 104 pound cold compress paper is perfect for wet media. Thick and absorbent, this paper makes working with acrylic ink fast and easy. All right, so if you want to buy this paper, I'm assuming in the same size, it's $13.48 just for that size, which is, what did we say, 4x6. Okay, so this little guy that we're using, the plastic palette, it says it's a retail price for $2. It's a Sketchbox signature plastic palette. So use is included the palette to mix the perfect colors. Remember to mix a little more than you expect to use. Okay, good to know. Then the Staedtler Pigment Liner that we were talking about in 0.3-2.0 millimeter is light fast and waterproof. This calligraphy, oh, it's a calligraphy pen. Okay, there we go. Calligraphy pen is great for line work and styles with variance in line weight. Ranges to, let's see, price is $5.10 if you want to buy that one after you use it. Then we've got the Cardis, what is it? Carnadeshe pencil, and that is Graphite Pencil 3H, great for setting down light lines and sketching out your piece before going in with the ink. This pencil ranges at $3.65. All right, we got the Dynasty Dagger brush in 3/8. It is great for thin and thick lines. This brush is easily creates sharp and dynamic marks. Okay. These two acrylic calligraphy ink, 12 millimeter, let's see, 12 milliliter. Yeah, 12 milliliter. Waterproof when dry. This vivid ink is acid-free and very light fast. This month we're showcasing the Primrose Yellow and the Indigo Blue colors. Try them in combination with the Scarlet Red from October for a full primary set. Okay, I didn't get October's, so okay. So then we have the Hoblin Acrylic Ink in red, and this is a highly versatile ink. It's hyperpigmented with very low veracity, and try using it with a deep pen, water brush, or refillable marker. Runs for $10.20. These are $2.56 each, so that's not bad. All these prices are actually pretty good. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, what should we try first? Let's open up these guys. Let's try them out. And whoa, okay. All right, we're opening this guy up. I think this was supposed to be stuck to the top. Never had to take that part off of anything before. Okay, let's get rid of that. Whoa, yeah, that's super watery. That is definitely ink, which I just got on my finger. That's okay. Let's get that off there. All right, so then this is the yellow. Okay. It's got one of these things on it too, which I wish it didn't have on it, because you get it all over your fingers when you're peeling it back. Yuck. Okay, so beware. When you're peeling these back, make sure you have gloves on or something around you that you're not going to get it all over your fingers. That is not cool. All right, I'm only going to open it up to that part. I can dip my brush into that far. Otherwise, I'm going to have yellow all over my fingers. And that stuff is super pigmented. Okay, and then the red. Let's shake that guy up. Oh, sounds like a Posca pen. Interesting. All right. Well then, okay. I don't really think, okay, well, I'm going to show you anyway. I'm going to say I don't really need to show a graphite pencil, but I shall anyway, since we did an unboxing. It feels pretty good. It's a heavy pencil. Alright, so basically very light marking pencil. So yeah, this would be really good to draw with, and then probably really easy to erase. Let's try it out. Let's see if it erases good. I'll get my Tombow eraser. Okay. My Tombow eraser did not come in this box. And I have to say a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with Sketchbox. This is just a box that I got, and I am unboxing it to let you know what I got inside. I did pay for it. They did not give it to me free. Okay, yeah, look, it erases really good. So, yeah. Okay, cool. Nice pencil. Okay. I'm actually going to put that to the side there, and I'm going to turn this over. Alright. And then the inking pen. Oh, this is supposed to be a calligraphy pen, so. Alright, let's see. Ooh. The tip's pretty nice. See that? The tip's really nice, actually. So, it's got a really nice chiseled end. Actually, let's do it this way, so that way you can see the chiseled end of it. Okay. Alright, let's see if I still have my scales. Alright. Let's see. We'll do my name. Oh, actually, yeah, we'll do my name. I have not done calligraphy in a really, really long time. So I'm going to have to practice that again. It's not perfect, but it's not bad, I guess. But yeah, you're supposed to take the chiseled end all the way down with your line sideways like that when you're doing a straight line, and then you have to go down, meet at the end, go across the sharp end, and then come back down with your chiseled end. Yeah. Okay. Well, this will be a fun relearning experience with that pen. Nice pen. I like it. Pretty nice. Great brand, too. I like that brand. Okay. Stedler is nice. Okay. I'm kind of intimidated by these inks here. They're like super watery. It's like, okay, so if I mix them in here, like why would I even want to mix them though? I don't know. I'm just going to get green if I mix those, so I think I may just not use, I may just use this for the red ink. I'm not going to use them for these because these are super watery and I don't see the need for them. For that. Alright. And I really don't want to use my new brush on these because it says on the identification card here that they are waterproof when dry. So if they're waterproof when it dries, and it dries on this beautiful brush, I kind of want to use this brush for something else. So we'll use this brush for something else because that is a nice brush. I mean, my goodness, that's really great brush. So I'm going to use one of my old brushes for this ink here, and I'm just going to show how much pigmentation is in it because it is calligraphy ink, and I really need my calligraphy pen to do that with. But I'm going to use one of my old brushes here because that's just not something I don't want to ruin this brush. Okay. Since I really don't do calligraphy that much, I'm wondering if you could use this for something else though. You might be able to use this for something else because it's pretty pigmented. Let's see. Let's see what we can do here with the blue. Whoa, yes, that is like, what? And do you see how that cotton paper just sucks it in? Like it drinks it. Look at that. It just drinks it. Yeah, you could definitely paint with this. It is really pigmented. If you wanted a really pigmented ink, that's definitely something you could do. I wonder if you could take this. I wish I had some of my my stamps in here. I wonder if you could put this in on something and then take a stamp and use it for stamping. Ooh, that's an idea. I have a ton of stamps. I could probably use this for stamping because I really don't do calligraphy anymore like I used to, but I definitely could use this with stamps for like backgrounds. You could do like a really pretty stamp in the background or something with this. Put a little bit on a board and then stamp it on a dry erase board and then use it for stamps. Yes, that would work. Okay, cool. All right, let's try the yellow. Let's try out that yellow. So this is the premium box. So far it's really cool. I can still use all these products even though I'm not into calligraphy like I used to be. If you guys are into calligraphy, then this is the box for you for sure. All right, let me see if I can get this red open without it spurting everywhere. That would be my luck today. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit on the palette they gave us. This is nice. I like these. I get a lot of these from Michael's or the art store to mix my paints with. If I don't use my dry erase board to mix my paints. But see, this is an acrylic ink. Look at that. That is so much pigmentation, you guys. Very nice. Let's see. Let's try this out. I did say I was going to use the yellow, didn't I? But the red's cool. This is an acrylic ink. I would paint with that. I would definitely paint with that. I don't know about calligraphy, but I would definitely paint with that. That is beautiful. This is a blue red. You know, there's some reds that have that orange tint to them. There's some blue reds, and then there's brown reds. This is definitely a blue red. Very pretty. Yes, I like that. Very nice. Okay, that's good. I will definitely use that. These guys intimidate me. So I'm gonna have to have some time to get used to those. I think it's just because they're so watery. But like I said, I'm gonna try them with the inks or the stamps. I can't even talk straight today. I think I just stayed up too late last night. Okay. And not enough coffee today. Okay, let's do, hopefully my brush is up here. Gotta love this tissue paper that it comes with. I'll dry my brush off on it. Alright, let's use yellow. Let's try this yellow out here. Very little amount of yellow. See? And that cotton paper is sucking that up. Good. Look at that. What? That is really pretty. Okay, yeah, I will paint with this one. I could see doing some really pretty spring paintings with these cards, with these colors too. These are definitely spring colors. Okay, so the back, a little bit of bleed through right there with the blue. Not very much. It definitely, like I said, it does drink it. Because let's see, let me run my finger across there. See how fast that dries? It dries like super fast. And I don't think you can blend very well with this. Let's see if you can. Alright, let's try, since we did yellow, let's try and put some blue in with that yellow and see what happens. See if it turns green or if it just lays flat next to it. Then we'll know if they blend. Okay, let's check it out. Hello, blue. Let's try you again, my friend. Okay, so I'm taking the blue next to the yellow and let's see what happens. See if it blends. Yeah, a little bit, I guess. Did turn green, so it's a good thing. Alright. Let's try the yellow with the red. Definitely don't want to do red and blue. I'll end up with brown. So let's try the yellow with the red. See if we get a nice orangey color. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Because this one's an acrylic. I'm not really getting much of an effect with this one. Oh, here we go. Never mind. Just kidding. The more water you put on it, it's kind of like the red kind of sucked in the yellow. And vice versa on this one, like the yellow sucked in the blue. Alright. Well, I don't hate it. I'm definitely going to paint with these. They're not going to go to waste, that's for sure. I love color, and they are definitely pigmented. So these guys, like I said, are very watery, very like whoa. And this one is thicker than those for sure, because it's acrylic based, so it doesn't move around very much. Okay, I want to try something else with one of my really old brushes. I'm glad I brought one of those out here. One that I don't really mind getting messed up. Okay, so I'm gonna try something. Let's try some of this blue over here. Okay, let's try some of this blue. And let's add some of this, a little bit of this red. And we get this really weird purpley brown color. Now it's turning brown. Oh, it's almost like a purpley brown. Yeah, red, actually. A pomegranate red. That's pretty. Let's see what it looks like on the paper. Yeah, it's like a burgundy color almost. Browny red. You guys all see that? So yeah, you can mix those two. Let me see what happens when we mix. See what happens when we mix the I don't have anything go to waste. I'm using this to clean off my brush after the water. Let's take some of this yellow. Let's put it in the little pod here. Might as well experiment with new stuff. Why not? And get some of the red. And let's mix that red in. Ooh, see, that gives me a really pretty orange. That's what I was trying to do on the paper, but obviously you have to mix it first. It's not one of those that you can go on top and it'll blend with it. Okay, yeah, that's a really pretty orange. Like a pumpkin orange. Actually, it's darker than a pumpkin orange, like a spice, orange spice color. There we go. That's pretty. Hopefully everybody can see that. See that? Nice. Okay. Alright, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as I get these boxes in, I will get videos out of the unboxing. So far I give this box a thumbs up. I really love this brush. I'm really liking this red acrylic ink. I love the paper, and I have to get used to these two calligraphy inks. I will definitely use the calligraphy pen for inking, and I will definitely use, or for cards when I write things out and I want to use calligraphy, I'll use that. And this pencil is definitely something I will most definitely use. So in all, I think it was a great box. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so January 2021 box, thumbs up. All right, thanks guys for coming and hanging out with me, and I will see you on my next video. I'm going to try to get some coloring videos out as well. Now that I have a new camera set up, I can make better videos now where you guys can actually see what's going on. I will make more. So, all right. Thanks so much. You guys all take care, and we'll see you in the next stream. Thanks so much. Bye.